Welcome to Tech Info. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use portable apps. So, what are portable apps exactly? Well, they are softwares that doesn't need to be installed to use, unlike traditional apps that you have to install onto your system before you can use. So, you can just carry the apps with you on a USB flash drive or even a memory card and use on any computer available to you. So think about the possibilities. You can carry your most favorite or used softwares on you anywhere you go. So you just insert the USB drive on which the portable apps are installed in any computer and start using the softwares on it right away. So to get started, head to the portable apps website and download the portable apps platform. After downloading, go ahead and install the software and make sure you already have your USB drive inserted into the computer. During the installation of the portable apps platform, on this page, make sure Install to a portable device is selected. The installation will take few minutes, so we will be back when the installation is complete. So we are done installing the platform on our USB flash drive and we click finish to open it. Since we are opening it for the first time and we are also connected to the internet, it will automatically check for apps which we can install on the platform. These are the softwares we can install on the platform arranged according to their uses. There are quite a lot of softwares here that we can install and use. You select the software by checking the box right here. So I'll just go ahead and install the VLC player onto the platform. Installing takes a while depending on the size of the software, so we will be back after installation is complete. So as you can see, we are done installing the VLC player onto our portable app platform. We then go ahead and open the portable apps platform. And here we have a folder. Inside this folder is the software we just installed. the platform plays the software we just installed into the music and video category because that's what the software is used for. So to open any of the software, I'll just click on it and then the platform will run the software and it will open and it will be ready to use right away. So as you can see, VLC player has been opened and well, it's working very fine. So anytime you want to install a software, you click on apps right here. You click on get more apps and select the category and to load all the softwares in that category, and you can install any of them that you like. If you have a portable app that you want to install onto the platform already downloaded on your computer, you just select the install a new app below the more apps. You select it and it will open File Explorer where you can navigate to where the file that you want to install is, and then you select it to install. Clicking options open an option window where you can customize your platform, the looks and how things should be organized anyhow you like it. So go ahead, feel free to customize it to your liking. Okay, we are done customizing our platform and this is how it looks like. Cool, right? Here's the thing, so far we can only install apps that have the PAF extension. We can only install search apps on it, but there is a way for us to install exe files also onto the platform. We will get to that in the next video. So hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video.